Hey guys, Dave Kimbrough here with Kimbrough team at Remax 4000. We're entering May, so that means April numbers are hot off the press, and there's a link right below this video if you'd like to dig into these numbers a little bit deeper or double check to make sure that I'm telling you the truth. Anyway, some of the things that stood out to me is all-time high sales prices. We're 16% year over year, 2022 to 2021. Pretty amazing numbers when you think about it. Inventory numbers are up about 50% as compared to April of 2021, but that really does mean that we're getting more healthy, right? Because we've seen an all-time low over the last couple of years of inventory numbers. And when you look at months of inventory on the market, we're still around 3% in most price ranges, or 3 months of inventory in most price ranges, which still indicates a very strong seller's market. Days on market, that's at a record low as well. 57 days on market for the average. Keep in mind that 30 on average of those 57 are during the contract phase. When you break those numbers down, we're really looking on average of somewhere between around 27 days on market list to contract, and that's amazing. So basically, awesome start to 2022, and this is about exactly what we expected. So we look at this and say we've had 10 years of a strong historical run in Grand Valley. So what are some of the clouds on the horizon? These are going to be continued things we watch as far as clouds and how much impact they're going to have. Interest rates, we're at about 5.25 now. We were really hovering around 3 to 3.5 about 60 days ago. No question that's going to have an impact at some juncture, especially if they continue to rise. Inflation, you don't have to look very far to see you're paying more for everything. Everybody realizes it dominates the news. Inflation is a very real thing, and it's likely to be around a little bit longer for sure. So we want to keep an eye on both of those things. But one of the things I really keep an eye on is our feeder markets. Like Denver, we still see about half of our buyers come from the Front Range. I talked to an agent over there this week, and they're still seeing a very strong market. Multiple offers, 105% sale price versus listing price. So, I mean, we're still seeing an extremely strong market in that feeder market. And same thing with California. Talked to an agent about a week ago over in California. They're seeing a very strong market, multiple offers over asking price. As long as that's happening in those markets and those people are moving, one of the places they're moving to is here. So as long as those markets are strong, we should continue to be strong. We will see some changes in those markets, and that will indicate we're going to start seeing a change here. So we keep a close eye on that. So the bottom line is we've had a great start to 2022, and keep an eye on it, because if you're thinking about selling, now could be a really great window for you to sell. And as far as buying, you still got to be extremely competitive. So, and one of the nice things about buying is if interest rates are going to continue to climb, might be a great time for you to get on board with that. So again, thanks for being part of the Kimbrough team. Thanks for being part of the Kimbrough team family. We have the greatest customers, and we're so thankful for all of you. Also, keep in mind it's Mother's Day weekend. So on Sunday, make sure to reach out, do something special for your mother, because frankly, if we didn't have mothers, none of us would be here. So anyway, reach out and let them know how much you love them this weekend. And again, if you need anything, give us a call, 970-263-7355, or just email me, dave@thekimbrowteam.com. Thanks, and have a great weekend.